Today we're showing you a 2015 John Deere 5100E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with the open operator station. The tractor has just under 2,700 hours on it. We traded the tractor in locally here from a orchard. Tractor has been well maintained, has been well cared for, has been stored inside when not in use. So nice clean tractor here. Again, did come from a nice good home, very local home here about 5 miles down the road. Tractor is rated at 100 horsepower. That's at the engine, 85 PTO, and again it does have just under 2,700 hours on it. We did put new front tires on the tractor, so it's got new front radial tires on it. It does have the mid valve with a joystick. If you want to add a loader, you certainly can do so. Steps on both sides of the operator station there. Rear tires are in nice shape yet. They also are radials. Foldable rollover bar, has extendable 3-point arms. Drawbar, top link, stay bars are all with the machine. Dual remotes back here. Has the 12-speed power reverser transmission, which allows the operator to change direction without clutching. All your controls for hydraulic, PTO, 3-point, all located directly to the right of the seat. That seat does swivel as well, so very nice seat on these tractors. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.